at the Birds Aren't Real rally, and let's see what's happening here.
So I didn't know what was going to happen.
Corner. Peter McIndoe, head of Birds Aren't Real, is standing on a van, talking.
That's not the van right there. I come around the corner, and it's weird because right there, I noticed like right away, there's some lovebirds right there. Just, you know, right. I don't know whether they're real. Are lovebirds real? I don't know, but they seem very lovey down there with their masks. He's up on the van screaming with a megaphone. Anderson Cooper. Look at the hordes of people. They're mad too. Look at that guy, he's furious. Yeah, so one of the things about this protest is I was just trying to get around that van, you know, to get a better look at Peter McIndoe and, you know, maybe hear what he's saying. But it's really hard because the guys they were yelling at me. And I felt like I was a protester at a protest because I kind of was, because I was trying to get the message out about hummingbirds. Super tight security. So then I've got to get in there. I got to get in there. They don't hate birds. Okay, now I just go for it. I just go in there. Right, you know, when they're all like in a frenzy. I can totally get in there and get to this guy. There goes. There's the famous van. There he is. I didn't want to go in there with all the, you know, screaming and spitting going on. Okay, so what I did is I got by the van. There's the van right there. You need to stay out of the street. Oh, this guy's yelling at me. Whoa. That guy was pissed. Let's just see that again. Sir, you need to stay out of the street. Sir, you need to stay out of the street. I mean, he's worried about me because, you know, when they see us, probably they're going to, you know, send cars over there to run people over because they don't want the truth to get out, I guess. It's like a mosh pit. Yeah. Not safe at all. Whoa! See, there we go. I almost did get hit by a motorcycle. Thank God that guy's looking out for me. That was probably like a deep state motorcycle, I guess. That's what I'm guessing. So I got around to the side of this thing. Well, let's see the van. Wake up, it says. Guy needs help coming down.
Hang on, Peter. Hey.
Hold on. Now I got to get around here. Okay, so over here, I decided to go for it. Get the word out.
Hummingbirds are real! Hummingbirds are real! Hummingbirds are real!
I think they were kind of confused.
Hummingbirds are real!
They're like, is he saying aren't real or real?
Hummingbirds are!
Now they started booing me. Now they were getting the message.
Hummingbirds are real!
Yeah, I was pretty angry. I mean, I was pretty, because I do believe that hummingbirds are real. And anyway, this all has to be edited and put out to the world.
Hummingbirds are real! Hummingbirds are real! Hummingbirds are real! Hummingbirds!
So, long story short, I never got to talk to Peter McIndoe. We're going to try and get him on the show.